So here are our ingredients for our apple cinnamon overnight oats and apple cinnamon yogurt parfaits. We have pure maple syrup, which has 0 sodium. We have just a tiny splash of honey. We have cinnamon. We have almond extract. We have Greek vanilla yogurt. We have Kind brand apple cinnamon granola. And then we have oats for our overnight oats. And then we also have an apple. Let's get started. We're going to make 2 healthy treats that taste great. We're going to add cinnamon to taste. I like the cinnamon flavor, so I'm doing probably about 2 tablespoons. Add some maple syrup so that it'll get all good and coated. So we're going to microwave our apples anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes, just until they're soft. For my microwave, it's about 1:30 seconds. So we're going to let the apples cool for a few minutes. And while they do that, they're going to soak up those juices and make just a beautiful flavor. Let's get our apples on top. Spread them around. You can add some of the extra juices on top if you want, but the apples have soaked up enough. You don't want your yogurt to start to turn a funny brown color. So this is optional, but you can add just a touch of honey on top. Or if you prefer, you can add some chopped nuts. Almonds are very good for the heart. And just a little bit more cinnamon. And there we have it. We have healthy, tasty apple cinnamon granola yogurt parfaits. Follow me for more low sodium cooking. So we've made our parfait. Now we're going to make our overnight oats because we already have our topping ready. We're just going to take a 1/2 cup of oats. Any kind of oats will do. Doesn't matter. I'm making a big mess. We're going to put some granola, the exact same granola we used before. Some pure maple syrup. Some more of the vanilla yogurt. I use about a 1/2 cup of oats and about a 1/4 cup of the granola. Of the yogurt. Then you're going to add some milk. Going to be about the same 1/2 cup as you did for the oats. You're going to simply shake it up. Open it back up. And then you're going to add your toppings on top. The exact same apple toppings that we used for the other. So with an apple, you've made a parfait and now overnight oats. Ideally, you want to close this and refrigerate it for about 8 hours. I'm only making one because they really suggest that you eat it within 24 hours. So I'm not making several, but simply put it in the refrigerator. You can eat it cold or you can heat it up for 30 seconds. There we have it.